Here we are going to talk about the clarification of the concept competence according to several scientists. The first academic Salima Sagivna Kunanbaeva states that competency constitutes a greater part of a whole, and having achieved the necessary level of development in the terms of new acquired knowledge, abilities, and skills, it is transformed into competency as an integrative personal quality. According to Zimne, it is a system of internal resources essential for the construction of effective communicative action within a specific range of situations involving interpersonal interaction. And the last one is according to Kulibaeva, competence is understood as a quality of a person who has completed education of certain stage consisting in willingness, ability to successful activity. So reasons of the necessity of the development of innovative basic competencies. According to the principles of competency-based education, the competence-based aspect of students' development constitutes the following basic collection of characteristics and qualities. The first one is a cognitive developmental and inquiring cognitive activity structure. Second one, an analytical, integrative, and creative constructive type of thought. The last one is a problem-solving research project and the modeling skills. As a result of acquaintance with the culture of the country of studied language, students acquire knowledge, skills, and abilities that provide the opportunity for intercultural communication. So they are background knowledge inherent in native speakers as a reflection of their culture and absent in the native culture of language learners. Traditions and customs as stable elements of culture. Norms of everyday communication, including etiquette. Domestic and artistic culture as a reflection of cultural traditions. So according to Kulibaeva, she has considered that the following set of subcompetencies of the intercultural communicative competence is sufficient for modern foreign language teaching. So they are linguistic, strategic, discourse, sociocultural. Innovative competence is the capability to transfer and combine knowledge. The process of basic secondary education in the school should be focused on the development of competences that promote the realization of concept of lifelong learning. So they are communicative subcompetence with the structure of intercultural communicative competence, culturological subcompetence, cognitive subcompetence. Next one is personal-centered subcompetence, conceptual subcompetence, linguistic subcompetence, discourse competence, strategic competence, sociocultural subcompetence, educational cognitive competence, functional literacy, digital literacy, and motivational competence. So according to the expert, outcome of foreign language education at secondary basic school structure of ICC in composition of innovative basic competence. So according to Salima Sagivna Kunanbaeva, interprets the communicative subcompetency as the modern tendency toward the growth of global society. Schuck interprets communicative competence as the ability of studied language to carry out speech activity in accordance with the goals and situation of communication. So the cognitive subcompetence of ICC provides the formation of language as an inalienable part of manifests itself. So discourse competence is the ability to use appropriate strategies in the design and interpretation of texts. According to Schuken, linguistic competence is the knowledge of the language system, the rules of the function of language units in speech, and the abilities through this system to understand other people's thoughts and express their own opinions in oral and written forms.